Yes, Road Dog Rivez. Out here on the road. Yes, sir. And now I'm at the Coconino National Forest entry. I've only hiked, I don't know, half a mile this morning. And so up there you can see the interstate up there going along. And there's the interstate up there. That's Camp Verde down there. And I'm on 260 heading east to the Coconino. Entry into the Coconino. Welcome to the Coconino. Thank you very much. I always wanted to be there. And over on the other side is the Prescott National Forest. Signing off the sayonara.